Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss two more problems related to exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, the question number 5 first. Very short answer question. In this, we have that the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal. It means the circumference is given by 2 pi r of a circle and the area is given by pi r square. We are having this. So pi r square equals to 2 pi r. Numerically they are equal. The circumference, this one, and the area, this one. Both are equal. Something is cancelled here. I think maybe pi cancelled with pi and 1 r cancelled with 1 r. Then what are the remaining parts here? R and 2. So R, radius of that circle is 2 unit. यानी जब अपने पास सरकमफ्रेंस और एरिया किसी सर्कल का इक्वल दे रखा हो तो उसकी रेडियस कितनी होगी, वो ये है 2 यूनिट्स के रूप में. तो ये फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन बहुत आसान सा था, लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग ओनली, बाकी कैलकुलेशन बहुत सिंपल थी. नाउ वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम. In this fourth problem, what we are having here, the wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter. Diameter of wheel is 80 centimeter. It is here. How much the diameter? 80. That's why the radius of that is half of this one, which means 40. So our radius is 40 centimeter. We have this is the radius value. Now the speed of that car is also given us. The speed of the car is 66 km per hour. Speed of the car is 66 km per hour. ये दे रखा है. तो 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर को अपन सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट में कन्वर्ट करने जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज द टाइमिंग इज आल्सो गिवन 10 मिनट्स. टाइम is 10 minutes. Since the radius is in centimeter and the time is in meter, that's why I am going to convert this speed into centimeter per minute. So we know that in 66 kilometer, if we are multiplying by 1 lakh, the kilometer convert into centimeter. And in 1 hour, we are having 60 minutes. So now the unit is centimeter per minute according to the conversion system. Now I'm going to cancel something here. 11 4 zeros, that is 1,10,000 centimeter per minute. This is the speed of that car. Now if speed multiplied by time, distance will appear there. So distance traveled by that car in 10 minutes is speed into time. Speed is 1,10,000 into 10. You will get 11 lakh centimeter per minute. ये 1 minute. So this is our distance multiplied, speed multiplied by time, you will get the distance. So the car travels 11 lakh centimeter distance within 10 minutes. Now what we have to find out? Number of rotation in that. If we are having this is the wheel, and in one rotation, what is the distance covered by this wheel? If you are looking here, if it rotates one time, then the distance covered by that wheel is equal to the circumference of that wheel. So distance covered in one rotation is equal to 2 pi r. So now if we want to find out the number of total rotation or revolution, then what we have to do? We have to do that this distance which is traveled by that car is divided by distance covered in one revolution. So you will get the number of revolutions of that wheel. Therefore, number of revolutions is equal to total distance divided by distance covered in one rotation or revolution, that is 2 pi. So 11 lakh centimeter, this is the total distance covered by that car, divided by 2 pi r, which means 2 into pi, that is 22 by 7, and r, that is 40 centimeter. Now we are going to divide this. So cancelling all these and dividing in 11 lakh, you will get 625. And when 625 multiplied by 7, 4375 number of revolutions. तो हमने क्या सीखा यहाँ पे? एक कार है जिसके व्हील के डायमीटर दे रखा है 80, दैट्स व्हाई द रेडियस इज 40. स्पीड कार की गिवन है, दैट इज 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर, एंड द टाइम इज आल्सो गिवन अस 10 मिनट. So first we have to convert all these into centimeter per minute. So this is the way to convert all these things. And now we want to find out the distance traveled by that car in one rotation. तो एक जो रोटेशन पूरा होता है उसमें उस कार के पहिए ने कितने डिस्टेंस कवर की ये मालूम करना हो तो सीधा सा फंडा है कि उसका सर्कमफ्रेंस फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. So this is the 2 pi r distance covered by that wheel. And number of revolution, if you want to find out, then what we have to do? Divide the total distance covered by that car by one revolution distance. You will get the number of rotations or number of revolutions. So this is our 12.1 exercise, fourth problem. तो इस तरह से मैंने इसकी all the 5 problems discuss कर लिए. Hope so कि आपको ये समझ में आए होंगे. Let's begin our new exercise 12.2. Now in this exercise what we have? We have to know first about segment and sectors. जो अपन ने पिछले लेक्चर के अंदर सीखा भी था. The area of a sector, minor sector, major sector, and the area of minor segment, major segment, and length of arc. These are the 5 problems. 5 फार्मूले अपने पास रहेंगे जिन पर बेस्ड रहेगी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स. तो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज? फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्कल whose radius is 6 cm, angle of sector is 60 degree. Let's see the figure. This is our circle in which 2 radius are in this manner, OA and OB. The angle theta in between these two is given 60 degree and the radius is 6 centimeter. R, that is 6 centimeter. What we have to find out here? The area of sector generated by these two. So we have to find out this area and it is always known as minor sector. Which type of area this is? Minor sector. This one is major, जिसको हमें पता नहीं लगाना अभी. ये छोटा है, लेस देन 180 एंगल बनेगा, that always generate minor sector. And if greater than 180 एंगल बनता है, always known as major sector. So first we are talking here about the minor sector. So how we can calculate the area of this minor sector? You know that since area of minor sector is given by pi r square theta upon 360. This is the formula used to find out the minor sector. And for that, substitute the values. Now, what is the radius here? 6. And what about the angle theta? Is 60. Substitute these two values, you will get the answer. The value of pi, as you know, 22/7. And if in the question 3.14 is given, then you have to apply that same thing. But here, if 3.14 is not given, it is compulsory or essential to apply 22/7. So the radius is 6, 6 into 6, theta is 60, and in denominator we have 360. So 360 cancel with this 360. Now the remaining thing is 132/7. Divide कर लेते हैं. 7 1 जा 7, 62, 7 8 जा 56, again 6, 7 8 जा 56 and 4, that means 7 5 जा 35. So 18.85 centimeter square is the area of this minor sector. And if you want to find out the area of major sector, then what we have to do? Just change the angle theta here. What is the measurement of this larger one? 360 minus 60. You will get the angle in major sector. So वो आ जाएगा 300. So you have to change this value 60 by 300. You will get the area of major sector. और यदि ये याद नहीं रहे तो we have another method. In that, what we have to do? First, find out the area of total circle and subtract this one. You will get the rest major sector area. This is the second way to find out. It's depend on us. अपन कौन सा तरीका यूज करते हैं. So this is our first pattern. सेक्टर. इस सेक्टर का फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई किया जाता है फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. Now, in the next problem, third question, that is also a good question. In third problem, what we have here, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. First, we have to find out the angle theta here, which is not given. और वो कैसे पता लगाए? So as you know, in minute hand, this is our clock and this one is our minute hand. Suppose के लिए 12 के ऊपर. After 5 minutes, obviously ये 1 पर आ जाएगा. Then what is the angle measurement of this angle, which is generated by this minute hand or swept by this minute hand? तो ये पता लगाने के लिए अपने को क्या करना है? Listen me carefully. If this minute hand rotate once, एक चक्कर पूरा लगा ले, then what is the measurement of total angle? 360 is the total angle. So in one rotation या one revolution, angle made by minute hand is 360 degree. अब वन पूरा रोटेशन करता है तो उसमें टाइम कितना लगा? 60 मिनट. दैट इज therefore in 60 minutes the angle generated is 360 degree. So in 1 minute, therefore in 1 minute angle generated by that minute hand is 360 by 60, that is 6 degree. So in a single minute The minute hand construct a 6-degree angle. Then in 5 minutes, 1 मिनट में वो 6 डिग्री का कोण एंगल बना रहा है, तो 5 मिनट में कितने का बना देगा, मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. Therefore in 5 minutes, 5 into 6, that is 30 degree. This is our theta. This angle theta is 30 degree. Indirect रूप में दिया हुआ है. And the length of the minute hand is always known as the radius of that circle. क्योंकि मूव तो इसी को करना है, तो एक सर्कल तो यही बनाएगा. तो ऑब्वियसली जो लेंथ ऑफ द मिनट हैंड है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रेडियस ऑफ दैट सर्कल विच इज जनरेटेड बाय दैट मिनट हैंड. सो रेडियस इज 14 and theta angle is 30. Now area swept by that minute hand, that is this area. This is the area which we have to find out. तो क्या है, minor sector. Therefore area of minor sector, and it is given by pi r square theta upon 360. Pi is 22 by 7. What is radius here? 40 into 40. What about the theta? 30. In denominator 360. So 30 cancel this 12 times. 7 cancel this 2 times, which cancel this one 6 times. And this is 7, this one is 3. So 22 7 154 divided by 3, you will get 51.33 centimeter square. So this is the way to find out the area of this minute hands swept in 5 minutes. Now let's move on the fourth problem of this exercise, which is a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter sustained a right angle at the center. We have a circle in which a chord is given. The length of this chord is 10 centimeter. It is given, and the angle sustained by this at the center is 90 degree. This is our theta. 90 degree. Okay. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Radius is 10 centimeter also. ठीक. So it means there is not the radius or not the length of chord is given here. In this question the radius is given here. So now the radius r is 10 and theta is 90, and we have to find out this area which is known as minor segment. So what is the difference between a sector and a segment? As you know, these two radius cover this area whole AOB, and it is said to be minor sector. But if we join these two endpoints on circumference of chord AB, then the below area of this one is known as minor segment. This is not sector. Sector में ये triangle भी cover हो जाता है, जो अभी हमें नहीं लेना है. That's why it is known as minor segment. And the area of minor segment is given by pi r square theta upon 360 minus area of this triangle, which is given by r square sin theta upon 2. Now substitute all these values which is given here. Pi is it 3.14 is given there? Yes, we have pi is 3.14. The radius r is 10. The square of that is 100. Theta is 90, and here we have 360 minus again r square, which means 10 square, that is 100. Sin 90 is 1 upon 2. We know that sin 90 is 1। एंगल होता है यार ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के अंदर। अब यहाँ 90 cancel this 4 times, and if we are moving this one decimal removing, so 100 cancel with this 100, and 2 times 157. Here is 50. So now 157 divided by 2 we are having here, and in this case 50 only. This is 77.27 or 28 78.5 minus 50, that is 38.5 centimeter square. This is said to be area of minor segment. And if you want to find out area of this major segment above the chord, the rest of the area of this circle is known as major segment, then what we have to do? Find the area of this whole circle and subtract this one 38.5. In that you will get the area of major segment. तो इस तरह से अपन ये माइनर और मेजर सेगमेंट के एरिया भी निकाल सकते हैं। तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है। इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था कैसे अपन इन चीजों को यूज करते हैं, किस तरह से अपने को ये फार्मूले अप्लाई करने चाहिए। रेस्ट इन नेक्स्ट मीटिंग। थैंक यू।